This is a fully automatic steam can washing machine designed for food can production. The machine automatically cleans empty cans before the filling process. Steam washing helps remove dust and impurities to improve packaging hygiene. It provides clean cans for the next production step. Next is the high-speed automatic meat paste filling and sealing machine. The machine automatically fills meat paste, the products into cans with high accuracy. Its high-speed filling system ensures stable production and consistent product quantity. After filling, cans are automatically transferred to the sealing station. The sealing system creates a strong and reliable seal to protect product quality. This machine is ideal for canned meat, seafood paste, pet food, and ready-to-eat products. A complete automatic solution for high-efficiency food can packaging production.